Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all having a wonderful Sunday morning. And Walgreens went really well today, including I got a bunch of clearance lipsticks, and guess what? Our friends are printing, so we're gonna talk about that. Each one was a $3 moneymaker. This also went fabulously. And then of course I had to get some more Tide products because it's a steal of buy 3, get 1 for free. And then we have some digital coupons to go with. We have some money-making toothpaste and then a little cheapie with the all. So the weather report for you guys, as you can see, there's a bit of wind. Look at Mr. Stay Puft right there. He's flying out in the wind. This morning I've been out and about since about like the wee hours. There was a Dollar General remodel. I will be making a video about that to explain how those work and what I found. I found quite a few things. I went with a friend who's a very experienced Dollar General shopper, and between the two of us, we got a lot of stuff. We were in and out like 2 Navy SEALs. But I'll explain it. If you've ever been curious about remodels, it was my first one ever. And I always say I'm not much of a penny shopper. And I think I got like about 130 items and she got, I think, about 170. So I'll talk about that in a future video. Okay, so this is Walgreens. I'm gonna talk about these deals one by one and then with a booster and then with a larger booster, because I know a lot of you do not have them and you're like, I just want the meat and potatoes. Looking at some of this with digitals and some with manufacturers as well. Okay, so we have some lipsticks. We'll talk about these two. So they are like a liquid lip. Lipsticks, they are like a liquid lip. This one is in $6.35 and this one is $6.80. So this beautiful mauve and this fire red one. These are both on clearance. So they're on clearance for $4.99. So for 2 of them, it's $9.98. $3 digital plus a $3 coupon from the Smart Source of October the 10th. That's $6 off. You'll pay $3.98. I used $4 in Walgreens cash. And then this little guy printed out of the Catalina machine. So it is working with clearance. Lip products are obviously the best because it's producing the highest register reward. So if you can make that happen, if you do not have that $3 coupon from that recent Smart Source, you can use maybe the $6 register reward from the week previous from the P&G deal if you have that, or a different register reward, or you can use all points depending if you need lipstick or not. And then we have this little, it's a different kind of lipstick and it's in this weird orange. It's the color 500. And of course it's not focusing. And it's also by Revlon. And this was also the same price point of $9.98 for the 2. I had a $3 digital plus a $3 coupon from the Smart Source of October the 10th. So $3.98 out of pocket. I used $4 in Walgreens cash. And then I got this one. Just to answer a quick question, say you find your store, there's like, you know, a bunch of them, like 5 different sets. So there's 10 lipsticks on clearance and you want to buy all 10 at the same time to get 5 of these. The answer to that is no. You have to do 2 per transaction because this guy will only print once per transaction. So buy 2 of these, this one prints. Buy 2 of these, this one prints. If you buy all 4, only 1 will print. And then to use this to buy more clearance lipstick, what will happen is the second one will not print. So hopefully that is crystal clear. And yes, I used Walgreens cash to pay down the balance for both of these. Let's talk really quickly about the shampoo deal. I grabbed 2 of the very fancy Pantenes. These are 2 for $14. We have a 5 off of 2 digital that showed up this morning. Plus this guy for $3.99, we have a $2 digital, and this guy for $3.99, we have a $1 digital. I know that I was saying grab an Elvis and grab one of these, but I would rather get like the same set of them, you know, if that makes any sense. So with this little purchase, guys, I had a spend 20, get back 5. Plus the deal for this is spend 20, get back 5. So I'm gonna get back $10 for buying $20 of shampoo. So 2 for $14, $7.98 for these 2. The total is $21.98. We have a 5 off of 2 for this, a $2 for this, a $1 for this. With my debit card, I paid $13.98 for this Magic, got back $10 in Walgreens cash, $5 for the basket, and then $5 for the overall purchase. So it made it like $3.98 for the 4, not too shabby. I did this in a larger basket with the Tide because I had an 8-pack when you spend 35, but if you're working with that smaller booster, that's how I would do it. This is another quick little freebie with digital coupons. So these are $2.99 a piece. So for 2 of them, that's $5.98. We have a $2.50 digital. So after those 2, it's $3.48. Use $3 in Walgreens cash, pay the 48 cents out of pocket. And then this guy's gonna print out of the Catalina machine. So it makes it free plus a 52-cent money maker. Want to do this deal on its own, it's really fantastic to grab one of these for $2.99. We have a $1 digital, dropping it down to $1.99. If you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash, absolutely go for it. Hey, this little deal is really great. This is to buy 3 products, get 1 for free. And these are priced at $4.49, which is a killer price point. So for 4 of them, it's $13.47. Remember, 1 is completely for free. So I had a $2 PLA on this, a $1 digital for this, a $1 from the October P&G for this. This guy was basically for free. At this store, there's no messing around with using a coupon on a free item. It's not allowed, so I will not even try. So after the 2, the $1, the $1, the new total was $10.47. Throw in $10 of Walgreens cash, you're paying 47 cents for all of this, and laughing to the bank and back and many, many times. My husband is pretty much sensitive to anything with any scent, so this is ideal for him. I'm always delighted when this is part of the deal, so this was really great. The spend 20, get back 5, plus when I was doing my Revlon earlier, out of the Catalina machine, came out a 8-pack when you spend 35. So this is what I grabbed to get my basket right to 35. 4 Tide products for $13.47. Buy 3, get 1 for free. Plus, I had $21.98 of shampoo. So the total for all of this stuff, all of that and all of that, is $35.45. Now I got the cashier to scan the 8-pack when you spend 35. To my card, I digitally had that booster of 5-pack when you spend 20. And then for my shampoo, I had $8 of digitals. I had a 5 off of 2, a $2 and a $1. From the P&G, I had a $1 for this, and I had a $2 PLA for this, and a $1 digital for this. The coupon for this one did not come off, nor did I try to throw anything in because I don't want any trouble at the store. So after all my coupons came off, it was $23.45 before tax. What I did, guys, was I used my debit card because I had 2 spend boosters that I was trying to stack together, plus this thing for the shampoo. So after everything was said and done, I got back $18.38 back in Walgreens cash. So it was like $5.45 for the 8 products. I'm totally fine with that. I got back $8 for the booster, $5 for the digital booster, and then $5 back for this shampoo deal. Spend 20, get back 5. So not the worst thing. If you consider that I got a $6 moneymaker with this, it kind of shakes this out to completely for free. So I am okay with and stay tuned. Probably tomorrow I'll have a video about that remodel at Dollar General. I know a lot of you are probably really interested about it, and I'll make a very specific video on what to look for and how I found it. It's a lot of information to this, but if your store might have some sort of soft remodel or something like that, you could probably dive into hundreds and hundreds of pennies. So look forward to that video in the near future. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye!